Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to change primary field in Airtable. All right, so first up, go ahead and log into your Airtable account. Once you're in here, just go ahead and select the base from a workspace. I'm just going to click on this one right here. Let's say, for example, I'm going to work on this table, which I just created. All right, so this is our primary field right now, as you can see here on the far left. Again, this is the primary field. Now, what if I wanted to change it, or I wanted to change the primary field to name, all right, this column. Now, all you have to do is just go ahead and click on the drop down right here besides the primary field. Click on the drop down, and here we have the change primary field option. All right. When I click on other drop downs right here, I don't have that option. Now, going back, drop down, click on change primary field, click on a drop down once more, and we're going to use the name as our new primary field. Okay, I'm going to click on name and hit on change primary field. And as you can see here, our primary field is now changed to name instead of notes. I'm going to click on the drop down right here beside notes. I don't have the change primary field option. It is now under the name column. Okay, there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.